Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee and this is my little munchkin. This is Ellie. Say hey Ellie. She's not really sociable. She's like, yes I am. We're gonna be doing her hair. So last week we did a wash and go series and someone was suggesting that I do more like drugstore products. So this particular product that I'm going to try with Ellie is the Bella Curls Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner and the Bella Curls Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream. I got these from the dollar store, Family Dollar store, and they were like $5 a piece. So this is 16 fluid ounces and this is 16 fluid ounces. So we're gonna see how these products actually work. Her hair is very similar to Yana's in terms of the pattern, the shrinkage, the frizz. I mean, it's like Yana's twin. Really been previously washed and conditioned. Hey, don't put that in your hair. And this is another issue I have with Miss Ellie. She likes to wipe her hands in her hair. I don't want that. I don't want it. I got it. You eat.
Breaking news! Tomorrow's color is green. Channel up. Red. Breaking news! Today's color is red.
Stop. So as you can see, it does give her hair great definition on just the conditioner alone. I'm sure I hit her hair length. This is how long her hair is. Hair. Like I said, very similar to Yana's. Okay, this is super creamy, like really creamy. I can see somebody is not interested in getting their hair done. Okay, sit up please. Sit up. As you guys can tell, she doesn't need me to do her hair because she can do her own. Well, so she thinks she can do her own. Okay, stop. I need it to dry, Ellie. Stop. No, that's not funny. That's not funny. Say see ya. When it dries. Really? Say dries. No, it gotta dry. Say dries. Good job. Say bye-bye. So I'm gonna use a little oil. It's from Simply Pure and Authentic Oil. Just a little bit onto her dry curls. That brings some life to it. Okay, let me see. Head down. Ellie. So I'm not gonna keep her hair like this because she's a baby and she used her head as a napkin. No, this is my face. So I'm gonna put it up in a little style. Okay? I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I know I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I know I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I'm cute. I know I'm cute. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I was talking about let it come out your mouth. Oh. And we'll see you guys later. Say hope you guys enjoyed this video.